Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making hibernating bears. The supplies we need for this craft are a styrofoam cup, glue, a brown crayon, and construction paper, white and brown, a popsicle stick, and scissors. First, we're going to take the cup and we're going to color it all brown. I did that, and this is what mine looks like. And then we're going to take the brown construction paper and cut strips and then just cut into pieces. And we're going to make it kind of so it looks covered with dirt. We're going to glue the pieces on just here and there. We won't cover the whole thing. Just to make it look a little more like dirt. And you can glue those wherever you want, however you want it to look. I'm just gonna kind of go around the cup and do a few. I'm gonna press it because it's not wanting to stick there. There we go. Okay, and then we're gonna take the white paper and we're gonna make a bear. You can look however you want, big, small. And here's my bear. And then I colored him brown. And so when we got the bear colored brown, we're gonna take the styrofoam cup at the bottom and we're gonna cut a slit in the middle. And we're gonna take our popsicle stick and we're gonna glue the back of our bear onto the popsicle stick. And then we're gonna hold the cup up and insert the popsicle stick. And this is our hibernating bear. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.